Flies and mosquitoes are common pests that can be quite bothersome, especially during the summer months. While there are various chemical-based repellents available in the market, many people prefer natural alternatives to keep these pests at bay. One effective and eco-friendly approach is to harness the power of plants that naturally repel flies and mosquitoes. In this video, we will explore 10 plants renowned for their fly-repellent properties and how they can be used to create a fly-free environment. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is highly regarded as a natural fly repellent, celebrated for its exceptional qualities. Of flies have a heightened sense of smell, and lavender emits a strong and distinctive fragrance that repels them. The essential oil of lavender contains compounds such as linalool and linalool acetate, which contribute to its unique scent. Flies instinctively avoid areas infused with the aroma of lavender, making it an effective deterrent. Not only does lavender repel flies, but it also masks other enticing odors that may attract them, such as decaying matter or food residues. By overpowering their olfactory senses, lavender creates a challenging environment for flies to locate potential food sources, reducing their presence. Lavender possesses a range of phytochemicals with insect repellent properties. These natural compounds act as defense mechanisms for the plant, dissuading insects from feeding on its foliage. While the exact mechanisms are not fully understood, it is believed that the volatile oils present in lavender may disrupt flies' sensory receptors or interfere with their feeding behavior. In addition to its scent, lavender's vibrant purple flowers serve as a visual deterrent for flies. Flies are attracted to bright colors, particularly white and yellow shades, but they are less inclined to settle or land in the vicinity of lavender's radiant purple blooms. Number 2. Basil. Basil possesses a unique and robust aroma that humans find delightful but flies find repulsive. Flies heavily rely on their sense of smell, and the potent scent of basil acts as a powerful deterrent, discouraging them from entering an area. Within basil, a treasure trove of essential oils awaits, including eugenol, linalool, and estragol. These oils possess remarkable insect-repelling properties, naturally deterring flies from invading your space. Basil contains an array of natural compounds called flavonoids, some of which exhibit insecticidal and insect-repellent properties. These potent compounds can disrupt flies' sensory systems or cause irritation, making basil an effective weapon against these pesky pests. Basil's versatility shines as it thrives both indoors and outdoors. By placing potted basil plants near windows or entrances, you establish a frontline defense, deterring flies from infiltrating your cherished abode or outdoor sanctuaries. Number 3. Mint. Mint proves to be a formidable opponent against flies. With its unmistakable fragrance, mint plants emit a powerful scent that repels flies. Flies rely on their acute sense of smell to seek out food sources, and mint's robust aroma serves as a masking agent, confusing and deterring them from locating potential feeding or breeding grounds. Mint plants harbor essential oils such as menthol and limonene, renowned for their insect-repellent properties. These natural oils interfere with flies' sensory receptors, creating a barrier that dissuades them from approaching areas infused with mint's fragrant essence. Mint releases volatile compounds into the air, wreaking havoc on flies' olfactory systems. By emitting these compounds, mint creates a bewildering environment, throwing flies off course and complicating their search for preferred targets. Certain mint species, such as the mighty pennyroyal, boast high levels of pulgone, a potent natural insecticide. Pulgone acts as a toxic deterrent, casting a formidable shield that repels flies. Number 4. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, with their unique varieties and potent extracts, harbor a natural weapon against insects known as pyrethrin. Pyrethrin is highly regarded for its remarkable ability to repel insects, especially flies and other winged pests. Here's why chrysanthemums are exceptional when it comes to keeping flies at bay. One of the key reasons chrysanthemums make formidable fly repellents is their rich source of pyrethrin. Pyrethrin acts as a potent neurotoxin to insects, disrupting their nervous systems and causing paralysis, ultimately leading to their demise. Flies, in particular, are highly sensitive to pyrethrin, making it an effective natural repellent against them. Derived from chrysanthemums, pyrethrin exhibits a rapid knockdown effect, swiftly incapacitating flies upon contact. This characteristic makes it invaluable for repelling flies in outdoor environments or situations that require immediate control. The ability to swiftly immobilize flies enhances the effectiveness of chrysanthemum-based repellents. Pyrethrin boasts a wide spectrum of repellent properties, proving effective against a broad range of flying insects. Whether it's flies, mosquitoes, gnats, or moths, chrysanthemum-based repellents offer a versatile defense against multiple pests simultaneously. This versatility makes them a reliable choice for comprehensive insect control. While pyrethrin is toxic to insects, its impact on mammals, including humans and pets, remains relatively low when used as directed. This makes chrysanthemum-based repellents a safer choice compared to certain chemical insecticides, protecting both us and our beloved animal companions. With chrysanthemum-based repellents, you can repel flies without compromising safety. Chrysanthemums serve as a natural reservoir for pyrethrin, providing an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic chemical insecticides. By opting for chrysanthemum-based repellents, we reduce harm to the environment and preserve the well-being of beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Embracing chrysanthemums as a natural solution demonstrates our commitment to sustainability and the conservation of our ecosystems. Number 5. The captivating power of lemongrass. Lemongrass is renowned for its unique properties and captivating aroma, making it a popular choice as a natural fly repellent. Let's explore why lemongrass is effective in keeping flies away. Lemongrass boasts a high concentration of citral, a natural oil responsible for its distinctive citrus scent. Flies, particularly houseflies, are naturally repelled by the potent aroma of citral. This scent acts as a deterrent, making the area less enticing for flies to linger or settle. The robust fragrance of lemongrass has the ability to mask other scents that typically attract flies. Flies are drawn to various odors, such as decaying organic matter or food residues. By diffusing the invigorating scent of lemongrass, it effectively overpowers these enticing smells, discouraging flies from approaching the area. Lemongrass essential oil contains valuable compounds like geraniol and limonene, known for their insecticidal properties. While not as potent as synthetic insecticides, these natural compounds disrupt the sensory receptors of flies, making it challenging for them to detect food sources or suitable places for egg laying. The presence of these compounds in lemongrass enhances its effectiveness as a fly repellent. Embracing lemongrass as a fly repellent offers an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical-based solutions. Unlike some synthetic repellents that may contain potentially harmful ingredients, lemongrass poses no health risks to humans or pets when used correctly. It's a safer option, particularly in areas where food is prepared or consumed, ensuring the well-being of both humans and the environment. Number 6. The fly-repelling Allium family. Allium encompasses plants like garlic, onions, and chives, which possess an unmistakable aroma and bold flavor. Let's explore how these plants effectively repel flies. The robust fragrance emitted by allium plants, particularly garlic, serves as a natural deterrent for flies. Flies, especially common houseflies, exhibit sensitivity to potent odors and can be effectively repelled by them. With their highly developed olfactory receptors, flies find themselves overwhelmed and bewildered by the scent of allium, significantly diminishing their attraction to the area. The sulfur compounds present in allium plants possess the potential for toxicity to insects when concentrated. Although the levels of these compounds in allium plants might not reach lethal thresholds for flies, they still act as deterrents, discouraging flies from lingering in the vicinity. The distinctive aroma of allium not only repels flies but also adds flavor and aroma to culinary delights. Number 7. The versatility of sage. Sage is nature's fly repellent with versatile applications. Let's delve into why sage is effective in keeping flies away. Sage leaves and essential oil release a potent and unmistakable aroma that flies find highly unpleasant. This strong scent acts as a natural deterrent, effectively driving away flies from the area. The aromatic power of sage makes it a reliable tool in creating fly-free zones. Sage contains compounds like camphor and terpene, known for their insect-repelling abilities. These compounds disrupt the sensory receptors of flies, making them less likely to land or linger in spaces where sage is present. Sage's natural repellent properties make it an ideal choice for fly control without resorting to harsh chemicals. Sage is a natural plant that poses no harm to humans or pets. By using sage as a fly repellent, we can effectively manage flies without compromising the well-being of our environment. Sage provides various methods to repel flies. Burning dried sage leaves as incense, using sage essential oil in diffusers or sprays, or strategically growing sage plants in your garden all contribute to deterring flies from invading your living spaces. With its versatility, sage offers multiple options for fly control tailored to individual preferences. Number 8. Catnip, nature's fly repellent. Catnip, scientifically known as Nepentacataria, belongs to the mint family and possesses a secret weapon called nepentolactone. Let's explore why catnip is a formidable fly repellent. Catnip exudes a potent and unmistakable scent that repulses flies. While flies are typically enticed by odors like rotting food or decay, they find the aroma of catnip highly unpleasant. The volatile compounds, including nepentolactone, present in catnip create an olfactory experience that flies actively avoid, effectively keeping them at a distance. Catnip produces chemical compounds that serve as natural insecticides, discouraging insects from encroaching. The exceptional prowess of nepentolactone makes it particularly effective in repelling various insects, including flies. When flies encounter nepentolactone, it disrupts their feeding and reproductive behaviors, reducing their inclination to linger or lay eggs in the vicinity. Flies are susceptible to various stimuli, including movement and specific scents. By introducing a potent scent like catnip, it acts as a captivating diversion for flies, redirecting their attention away from protected areas. Strategically placing catnip can entice flies and draw them away from undesired spaces, providing effective fly control. While catnip's effects on cats are well known, its ability to repel flies provides an added benefit. By creating a fly-resistant environment with catnip, you can harness its dual power of captivating feline friends and warding off bothersome flies. Number 9. Rosemary. Rosemary, an age-old herb with a rich history, doubles as a powerful fly repellent. Discover the unique advantages of using rosemary to keep flies at bay. The potent aroma of rosemary is particularly displeasing to flies. These pests heavily rely on their sense of smell to find food sources, and the strong scent of rosemary can confuse and deter them from approaching. Rosemary contains essential oils like cineole and camphor, known for their insect repellent properties. These oils effectively discourage flies from getting too close, making rosemary a reliable natural repellent. When rosemary leaves are crushed or bruised, volatile compounds are released, acting as a natural fly repellent. These compounds create an unfavorable environment for flies, making it challenging for them to linger or settle in the area. Flies and other insects have an innate aversion to certain plants and herbs, including rosemary. You can utilize fresh rosemary sprigs, dried rosemary leaves, or rosemary essential oil, adapting to your specific needs and applying them indoors or outdoors as necessary. Number 10. Geraniums. Geraniums emit a unique fragrance that many flies find displeasing. This scent is believed to mask the attractive odors that lure flies, effectively repelling them. With their keen sense of smell, flies are deterred from entering areas where geraniums thrive. Geraniums boast essential oils like citronellol and geraniol, renowned for their insect repellent properties. When released into the air, the aromatic oils emitted by geraniums naturally deter flies. Flies are naturally drawn to bright colors and light. The vibrant flowers of geraniums capture their attention, diverting them away from targeted areas. This visual deterrent effectively discourages flies from landing or settling in the vicinity. While harmless to humans, geraniums contain compounds that may prove toxic to insects, including flies. These compounds can disrupt the nervous system or interfere with flies' digestive processes, making geraniums unappealing or even harmful to them. Geraniums are popular flowering plants that thrive with ease, both indoors and outdoors. Whether in pots, gardens, or hanging baskets, they can be conveniently placed in areas where effective fly control is desired. Their low-maintenance nature makes them an ideal choice for repelling flies. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these methods may vary depending on factors such as fly species and the concentration of rosemary or geranium employed. While they may not completely eliminate flies, they can serve as a supplementary approach alongside other techniques for controlling fly populations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.